A place with food, companionship, and hope. This is what DSWD Pag-abot program emphasized as important part of their program, including the creation of safe and happy space for the beneficiaries. With OPA Secretary Larry Gadon leading a volunteer activity at the Walang Gutom Kitchen, supporting a program that both nourishes and builds a community. Denise Osorio narrates the story.
Free meals are not the only thing on offer at the Walang Gutom Kitchen. It also embodies the spirit of bayanihan, a tradition of shared responsibility and community support. The Office of the Presidential Advisor for Poverty Alleviation themselves took part in serving meals to the underprivileged. OPAPA Secretary Larry Gadon led a volunteer activity at the Walang Gutom Kitchen of the Department of Social Welfare and Development in Pasay City, lending support to a program that not only addresses hunger but also strengthens communities. According to Gadon, cooperation among different sectors is key to expanding the services of the Walang Gutom Kitchen.
Napakaganda rin na yung ibang mga organizations ay mag-volunteer na magpunta rito at tumulong sila sa pagsiserve. Kasama na dyan yung pagluto, yung pagsiserve, yung paglilinis ng mga pinagkainan. Talagang voluntary work ito.
The DSWD ensures that the meals served each day are nutritious, with qualified nutritionists involved in planning and preparation. Hundreds of people receive free hot meals daily with no eligibility requirements and no discrimination.
Wala talagang discrimination dito at saka hindi sila hinahanapan ng kahit na anumang qualification. Oo, basta nandito sila, gusto nilang kumain, bibigyan sila ng pagkain. Dahil na ito ay open sa lahat. Marami rin ang nasasip na pagsisilbihan nito araw-araw. Maabot ng mahigit 500, pinakamababa na ay 500 tao araw-araw.
Beyond tackling hunger, the DSWD also focuses on providing a safe and welcoming environment for its beneficiaries, referred to as clients or customers, where food is shared alongside companionship and reassurance.
Ito yung nagbibigay ng pag-asa sa ating mga marariltang kababayan to give them hope and bigyan natin sila ng pag-asa para magkaroon sila ng buhay na maayos at may dignidad. Masaya sila na pumupunta dito, masaya sila na kumakain at may mga nakakasama silang mga tao na pwede silang mag-interact or pwede nilang, minsan sa pila pa lang nakakaroon na ng interaction. At saka yung vibe, di ba, na sama-samang may kasama kang kumakain, lalo na kung mag-isa ka lang sa bahay. At least parang kung malungkot ka, naiibsan yung ganong feeling, yung nararamdaman mo. At least medyo there's a feeling of relief, there's a feeling of joy and happiness, lalo na ngayong season of Christmas.
Esperlita del Rosario visits the Walang Gutom Kitchen almost every day, drawn by the respectful treatment of volunteers and the sense of belonging within the community.
Pag pumupunta po ako rito, masaya po rito yung makisalamuha ko po yung mga maraming mga nakikilala, maraming mga tao na parang alam naman tayong mga senior na mga magkasunod natin maglibang-libang. Masaya na ako rito makisama sa mga taong mga rito, mga kumakain. Masaya ng feeling po nun. Nakakawala ng stress.
A small vendor selling dishwashing sponges in Baclaran, Esperlita says the program has helped her manage her daily expenses by reducing her usual spending for food.
Napakaganda po ng programang binigayan dahil po malaki po ang tulong po sa mga mahirap, lalong-lalo po na po sa mga homeless. Ganun po, talaga pong napalaki po talaga ng tulong sa mga walang mga pambili at sa mga kalsadang tulong at nabalta nilang mayroon dito. Talaga pong nakakalibre po sila, napakalaki pong tulong po sa project ni BBM.
Working alongside the Walang Gutom Kitchen is the DSWD's Pag-abot program, which aims to support the most disadvantaged not only in meeting immediate needs, but in gradually moving out of poverty through holistic reintegration. The government continues to encourage individuals, businesses, and organizations to volunteer and donate to the Walang Gutom Kitchen, as the program provides not only meals, but also renewed hope and a pathway towards a more secure future. Denise Osorio for the National Television Network for a new and better Philippines.